Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook page URL, and that works for if you're using just your personal Facebook page or you have a business account. It doesn't matter. The steps are pretty much the same. So what you want to do, guys, once you're inside Facebook, click your profile picture, your account on the uppermost right hand side, then click in settings and privacy. Then click in settings again. Now from here, you want to look towards the left hand side where you have Meta Account Center. Click on personal details here, and from here you want to choose a Facebook. So you want to choose a Facebook account, and from here you can easily go ahead and change the username. So just click on username and you'll have the username there. You can go ahead and you can make changes to it, and that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and change your Facebook profile URL. Very easy and very simple. Once you make that change, go ahead and click on done, and once it is done, you will have your new URL, facebook.com/ that new username, and that's going to go ahead and change your Facebook profile URL. Very easy and very simple.